Alright, hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Firebase app and connect it to our Android app. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm here in the Firebase website and see some cool animation here. Let's just not restart time here and click sign. And here, enter your email and your password. After signing in, click to get started. And I have some recent projects here, and let's click add project. Okay, here let's add a project. Insert your project name. Let's see. Okay, Firebase tutorial. As you can see, we have the project ID, then location. Choose your location. So I'm here in the Philippines, so I'll choose Philippines. There's that. Here, then snap, change that, and then click this checkbox, then create project. Let's wait for the Firebase. Come on. Okay, after that, click continue. And here, so you can see some three icons here. For iOS users, click here. For Android, here, and then for web here. So we will connect our app, Android app, so we should click this here, register. We should just register the app. Okay, Android package name. Let's check our package name. Go to your manifest file, and here in the manifest tag in the package, copy paste this. Oh, shut up. And paste it here and up. Just leave it blank. It's up to you if you want to add a nickname to your app, and some SHA-1, but in this video I will not cover that. Let's register the app. And download the Google services .json. So okay, save file. As you can see, we download the JSON file, and let's move it to our Android app. So click the tab and choose project. Say the Firebase tutorial, click the app, and let's move the Google.json. What's the name of Google services.json? Okay, let's move it here inside the app. Okay, so click OK, and then we can see some JSON objects. So let's go to the Firebase website. Finish that, click next, copy this line and move it to the Gradle file. Where's that? Build that Gradle in the dependencies. Okay, and then copy this line again and go to the app Gradle file and copy it to the dependencies. Next, this one, copy it and paste it bottom of the app Gradle. Then finally press sync now. Okay, and let's click the sync now. Let's wait for the Gradle. Okay, after that, let's go back to the Firebase website, and we finally finished this. Let's go click next. Then says run your app to verify installation. Okay, so let's run our app. Okay, make sure you have internet connection when you run it. Okay, as you can see, our app is loaded. So let's go back to the Firebase website. Let's wait. Okay, congratulations, you've successfully added Firebase to your app. Cool. Continue to console, and that's it. That's how you create a Firebase app and connect it to our Android app. So hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Have a productive day.